Good day and welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about Bitcoin may double this year despite energy concerns, Pantera CEO. Written by Fadilpašić on May 14, 2021 at cryptonews.com/news. US-based major crypto investment firm Pantera Capital CEO Dan Morehead claims that the price of Bitcoin still might double this year despite the energy concerns. Bitcoin has been stuck in a trading range for a while now, and Morehead told Bloomberg TV that he thinks that it will break out. In the earlier letter to investors, the company had forecasted that Bitcoin would hit 115,000 this August, and it's essentially on pace to do that, said the CEO. It hit all the monthly milestones up through April. I do think it could double over the next 5 or 6 months. And I know that sounds crazy from your normal market standpoint, but Bitcoin has averaged more than tripling every year for 10 years, he added. As per Morehead, Bitcoin has had a very consistent 10-year compound annual growth of 233% a year. And while there have been some bubbles and bear markets, if you zoom out and look at it from any multi-year perspective, the log growth has been very consistent, he said, adding that over the next several months, definitely over the next years, it will resume its trend. Bitcoin is still well below its 10-year compound annual growth, so we're not in a bubble or an overpriced territory. Therefore, it may be a good chance to buy, he suggested. The ESG concerns have come up more than in the past 3 or 4 months, Morehead noted. Bitcoin now famously plunged on Thursday after Tesla's chief Elon Musk's comments about Bitcoin's energy use. Musk is a mercurial person, changing corporate strategy pretty quickly in this case, but what's important to note, said Morehead, is that Tesla is staying long, not selling their Bitcoin. While it's important to think about the renewability of the resources used to secure the Bitcoin network, it's one of the many blockchains and about 40% of the overall market capitalization, argued the CEO, while there are others that currently use no electricity or will switch to proof of stake and use none. Therefore, the energy consumption discussions surrounding Bitcoin shouldn't influence the industry as a whole. In a separate interview with Bloomberg TV, major crypto exchange Coinbase president and chief operating officer Emil Choi also noted that the space is increasingly driving sustainable innovation, but added that she wouldn't be surprised if there was something bigger behind Musk's move. This week, Reuters reported that Tesla is seeking to enter the multi-billion-dollar U.S. renewable credit market, hoping to profit from the Biden administration's march toward new zero-emission goals. Meanwhile, on-chain analysis firm Glassnode claims that huddling demand from both miners and long-term holders as overall spending patterns remain bullish, but that there are indications that a portion of Bitcoin capital is rotating, mostly into Ethereum. The rate of miner accumulation is historically significant, with the current net position change comparing to only 3 instances in the last 5 years. Additionally, the demand by larger buyers exceed available supply at the over-the-counter desks. Both trends align with a strong growth in institutional interest in the asset as a macro-scale investment, the report said. And while some commenters noted a rise in the number of accumulation interests as another leg up in Bitcoin, LMAX Group, an operator of institutional execution venues for forex and crypto trading, argued that should the price break the $47,000 level, it could drop to the $34,000 USD one. At 9:21 UTC, Bitcoin is trading at $50,561. It's up less than 1% in a day, trimming its weekly losses to almost 10%. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button, as these really help our channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.